Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about Wan 2.7, which is a closed source video model by Wan, which we all know and love. Right now it is a credit-based video generator. It's not open source quite yet, but there is some hints and rumors that it might become open source. At a recent press conference, Wan did talk about they were still focused on the open source community and a lot of releases upcoming will be open source. So they didn't specify that Wan 2.7 would be, but I have heard rumors that they will open source it at some point. So as usual, I'm just going to show you a few examples from a text to video model based on a little tool I created to help prompt it, because I wasn't super familiar with how a Wan model that includes audio would respond. So I created a small little tool in Gemini just for this. It's nothing special. There was a little bit of delay between this and my last video. I was kind of waiting for a few things to come out, but I did want to test this and release a video. But I wanted to talk to you about a couple of the pieces of AI news that have come out since our last video. So one that I want to talk about is this new video model that is supposed to get released on April 10th, I believe. And it's supposed to be open source as well. It's called Happy Horse 1.0. And the results that I've seen so far, and you can see on the screen here, they look pretty good. It's been dubbed the Seedance 2.0 killer. I mean, anytime a new model gets leaked, they'll cherry pick their best results and then they'll call it the killer of whatever model is most popular right now, and that is still Seedance 2.0 because it hasn't been fully released yet. They still have a lot of mystique and aura around their model because people haven't really been able to pick through it quite yet. So I'm really excited about Happy Horse 1.0. I'm going to have a video on that the day it releases as soon as I can, testing it and playing around with it all day. So stay tuned for that. So another thing I wanted to talk about is OpenAI released a new image model that has been appearing in split tests in a lot of people's image generations. Now, I don't think it's fully released quite yet at this point. However, some of the results that I've seen from it absolutely smoke any other image generator I've ever seen. It makes Nano Banana Pro look dated at this point. So one of the more impressive things with the new OpenAI image model, GPT Image 2, is the way that it does diagrams, screenshots, and text. Now, these images are all AI generated from the new model. I mean, the text is perfect. It's aligned how they want. It's really good. I mean, look at some of these screenshots. The map. I mean, this fake picture of a retail store door. This is what's really impressive to me, though, is these screenshots of desktops or YouTube screens. I mean, this is really going to change the digital landscape. Now people can fake their digital artifacts as well. So this is a whole new ball game. We've never seen anything like it. So I'm a little bit worried, and I'm also very excited because that's going to help a lot of you with your UGC and influencer content. So exciting stuff coming up. But let's get back to the point of today's video, which is Wan 2.7. So this is what I created here just because, you know, you guys usually want to see influencer stuff, UGC, all that type of stuff, right? So I was playing with it for a couple of hours, and I think I figured out how to prompt it okay. So I'll show you one that I did here, and I'll bring it over. So I did this in Gemini. Gemini actually has a little, I guess you could call it like a software framework built into their chat now. Before you had to go into Google AI Studio and build your little web app and test it in there. But now, mid-conversation, they actually build you a little web app for what you're looking for. So this is really cool. This is the first time I've actually seen this in Gemini. I haven't tried it yet because I usually stick to Claude CLI on my desktop for my programming and coding, but this is really interesting. So this basically just gives a few UGC settings, camera style, the hook, the action, etc., and then formats it for how Wan 2.7 wants to be prompted. So this is the prompt that I used to create this video, and I'll play that for you right now.
Hey everyone. Just wanted to share this really cozy moment with you. Hey everyone. Just wanted to share this really cozy moment with you.
So the first thing I'll talk about is I really like the shaky camera movements, as if she's really holding a phone. That's really realistic, and without some really strict prompting to make that happen with other models such as LTX 2.3 or Kling, I haven't been able to achieve that right out the box naturally like this did. So that to me is really impressive. Obviously, there's been nothing refined. I haven't taken this into any video editing software or done any skin enhancements, but it looks pretty good out of the box. I mean, if you look at her face too closely, as you probably shouldn't, it's a little bit waxy and computer generated, but this is really cool. I think there's going to be a lot of potential with it, and I really hope they open source it. So let's try another one and see how it goes. So let's check out our UGC settings that I have here. So let's try the golden hour balcony. I do like that slight wobble that I included. So like I said, I didn't have to prompt too much. Just slight wobble in brackets. You can see it right there. So it totally understands what we're looking for. So let's try a get ready with me. I haven't tried any of these, by the way, except for the first one. So let's see. Let's copy it and let's see how it handles it. So this is all credit based, not on my GPU. So this can be run on absolutely any laptop or any computer. All you do is go to browse templates, and then there you go. One image to video, reference video, text to video, video edit it, among other things. So this is, again, API based. So you could run this on your iPhone in theory. So anyone can run this, but you do need to load credits into your account. So this is costing about $1 US for a 5-second 720p video. So quite expensive. But the quality is good. I'm curious if you prefer this over Kling or if this is something you would actually use. I'm going to prompt that now, and then I will fast forward to when the video is completed. Okay, so we completed that. So let's go back to our original prompt here just to see before we look at it. So one beautiful woman, early 20s, minimal makeup, brunette hair, good, glowing skin, oversized beige blazer and gold necklaces. That's good, looks natural to me. Balcony, golden hour, yep. I don't know how the outfit transition is going to go. I didn't really consider that when I placed her on the balcony, but let's just see. So let's test this now. Okay, you can see the flaws in it, but I mean, considering my prompt was so mucky and this was not cherry picked, I mean, you just saw me do it live. I think that's kind of cool. The model kind of knew what TikTok trends are in style, which is kind of like that quick transition where you snap your fingers, then you're in a different outfit, or you place your hand up against the camera and switch. There is a lot of potential with this model. I can tell already. This is really cool. I'm digging this a lot. Let's try something a little bit longer. Let's try an 8 second. So we're bumping up to 168 credits, which is about $1.60 US or so. Let's go back to our prompting guide. Let's try minimalist white kitchen, and let's keep the handheld footage. I think that's best for what we're doing here. All right, let's do a casual coffee sip since we're in the kitchen, and the lighting will be soft indoor ambient. So once again, no cherry picking, just trying this on the fly with a tool I built 10 minutes ago. So we're going to do 8 seconds, 720p, iPhone aspect. I'll see you in a sec. And while that's generating, guys, if you want to support the channel, head over to smallzero.io. It's free to join the community and join our Discord. If you want to be a paid member, we've got tons of custom workflows and tools and all sorts of stuff on here. It costs $10 a month if you want to support the channel. Otherwise, join for free. Come in the Discord and hang out. Love to see you there. Okay, guys, our next generation is here. So this was the kitchen coffee one, as you know. Wow, I'm just looking. That's an actual Breville espresso machine in the background there. Okay, so I'm liking this right off the hop. Let's see how the actual generation goes. No cherry picking. We're playing it live. Let's go. Okay, so that's pretty good. There's a couple of weird things with the lighting, the sound, but again, this is just text to video. So you could do a lot with the image to video model as well. Really good. Give it a try. Leave a comment with what you've done. And hopefully in the next video, we'll be talking about that banging open source model that's coming out. That should be the Seedance 2 Destroyer. So thanks for watching, guys. Head to smallzero.io if you want to hang out with us. Have a good day.
Talking about giving me head. I told her to open her legs. I'm treating your bitch like Meg. I'm treating your bitch like the bitch that tied me up and put her teeth on it. I put out my pants and put my dick right in her hand. I told her to spit on